Got it here, another Battlebox. Let's see what mission is that. Usually there's a little note. Mission 78, and this little thing tells you how much is everything cost retail. But subscription is a little bit cheaper versus retail. Okay, first of all we have this cat flashlights over your neck. You know what's so funny? Actually looking into it to do like a review of that stuff, to put it to the test, and I never bought it. I'm kind of glad, because look at that. Little camping over the neck cat flashlights, 20 lumens, neck light. That is so cool. That's pretty unique. Okay, there's a survival food. There's a whole bunch of them. Looks like 190 calories or something like that. Tells you everything about it. Let's see how long it stays good for, because this is a freeze-dried food. Looks like best buy is by 2036. So we have another like what, 15 years it's going to stay good in a shelf, and that stuff is really good. This is like $8 meal around there, but it probably will tell you. Let's see how much this meal cost. Yeah, I was right, $9 actually, if you calculate all the cents as well. Okay, what is this? Tactical gun knife care kit. So I guess if you want to lube up and clean up the knife, you can take it apart, clean it up and all that good stuff. That's a cool kit. If you have those $200 knives, it's kind of worth it. Okay, what is this? Temp and toss forehead thermometer. Oh wow, check this out. You just stick it on a forehead and it will like tells you the temperature. This is why I like Battlebox. They send you some unique stuff that is kind of even hard to find. Okay, this is fire plugs, so fire tender. That's cool. Put that to the test maybe in the future. Advertisement, that freeze-dried food. Okay, there's a knife. I love knives. Let's see which one is this. Never heard of that brand, don't know how to pronounce it, but there's another one over here. I guess we're gonna open it at the end and look at it close up. But look at that, we got right here gas mask. That's cool. I'm not gonna open it because gas mask is nice. So I love prepping stuff. That's pretty cool. Okay, there's a logo. I guess it's kind of sticked on it. Oh wow, very big knife. What is this? Oh, I guess you can put a clip on. There is already one clip, but let's see how smooth that is. Beautiful. Yeah, never heard of this kind of knife brand, but this is cool. Let's see how much it costs. Have some kind of like stains on it. Okay, this is a $95 knife, so not bad. I would use it every day. Not super expensive, but quality probably still good. So a regular latchet right here, and then you can just probably flip it like that. Ooh, no. So not the smoothest knife, that's for sure. I guess it's pretty smooth, and it's easy flip over here. A really big knife. Around the farm probably would be using it. Look at the prices real quick. The neck light $29, the thermometer is $13, $8 for food, fire plugs $19, oil for the knife kit you got $24, gas mask is $99 I think, and a knife $95. So this is a pretty good value subscription box. But yeah, I think this is probably the best Battlebox in a while that I've got. So I really like all of the items this time around.